Hey, sweetie.
Hey,
What does a frog sound like?
rabbit.
That's lame.
Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit.
Your catbird sound is better.
Or catbirds. baby.
Yes.
I was just wondering, do you love me more than frogs?
No. I'm just teasing. I love you as much as frogs.
You trying to kiss a couple and get a prince?
I only kiss one frog.
That was me
Yeah.
31 years ago.
Yes.
You found me in a bog.
It was kind of like that.
Felt sorry for me.
I know.
So you gave me a kiss, and this is what you got.
Excuse the low light. We've gotten the plants in, and we're spreading newspaper that will mulch down very soon instead of using landscaping fabric, and we're just putting the mulch right on top of it. We do have our sprinkler box over here, which is our main, what is that called? Is that like an intake or?
Well, it's your like a transfer station. So basically all your solenoids, electronic parts or whatnot are under here. And then the different zones break off from here.
Okay.
From the main feed. You got that 1-inch line, which I think you showed when you were digging the hole.
Yes,
for
yes.
the pond shell. You hit that 1-inch line.
I did.
That fed
Well, I
into
didn't
here.
hit it. I
I mean,
located
yeah,
it.
You located it, right. Yeah.
I located it.
So that comes into here, and then from there, all the 1/2-inch lines go out to the individual zones.
Ray pruned the cypress. This is a Leland cypress. All the bottom branches, because back here we will make a hibernation habitat for the frogs. And then these plants will grow up big. This one will they will both fill this whole space in here. So that's where we're at now. And we'll finish the mulching and show you the finished product. Oh, it won't be the finished product because we do have to look for boulders.
Yeah.
Yes, and rockery to go around it. So this is it. It's late, and what would you say the humidity is? About 80% today?
Probably, yeah.
It is hot out here. We are sweating, and
Almost 90 today with
almost 90,
80% humidity.
80% humidity.
Disgusting.
Disgusting. Okay. Got the mulch all spread. We've high-fived. It's very late in the dark, and we've gotten it lit. And I think it looks super cool. A little bit like toxic waste when it turns green, but that is so neat.
And then that's just one of the battery operated pucks that you bought
Yeah,
on
yeah.
Amazon, right?
Yep.
It's waterproof, battery operated. You just drop it in. There's a little remote that you can control the colors or scroll through like it's doing now.
Yeah, we'll put a link. We'll put a
There's
link.
no electric involved. It's all battery operated. And I think you said you got it on sale for
I think
about
under
$8 or $9 or something.
about $8. I
Yeah.
think 7 something.
Yeah, it works great. It works
Yeah.
great. It's in about that's almost 2 feet of water right now, and it illuminates it nicely.
You can put it on a solid color. We just have it changing colors, and it does it very softly. We love it. And then we put steps up to it. We'll go over everything when we get it all done. We're gonna put boulders around it next. Fieldstone, boulders.
There's a
And
little firefly checking it out.
oh yeah, we have a fireflies
you know,
already
there's-
checking it out. Oh, he went right. I think we caught it.
Yep. And there's also a ton of mosquitoes around.
Yes, there's a ton of
As well.
mosquitoes hovering around, but we did put a dunk in and we will stop putting the dunks in as soon as we have frogs in there. You build it, they will come. That's the theory. Okay everyone, so I think I'll conclude the video here with this amount of progress. And in the next video, I will go over the plants and basically how I did this and things maybe you didn't see in the fast forward of it. I'll also have a separate video on how I built the turtle ramp so that turtles or other small animals, if they fall in, can get out, because this is a steep-sided pond. And then in future videos, we will show you our future plans for adding a frog hibernation kind of station back there in that area. And yeah, so I think this is enough for today. And so look out for our next video where we will go over the plants. And if you're interested in water plants, marginal plants, and plants that grow well around ponds, I'll go over what we decided to put in and why in the next video. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Maybe you got some ideas. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Supporting my lifelong love of frogs.
No, you're welcome, sweetie.